CNBC TV 18 Weekender.
Welcome back. You're watching CNBC TV 18 Weekender. We're with Paritosh Mehta, co-founder of Trunks Company. Paritosh, beautiful palace. We're at the lawns of the Rambagh Palace.
It's recently voted as a sixth best hotel in the world.
Now, both you and your brother Priyank started the Trunks Company. You work together.
Yeah.
Are there fireworks or both of you are always on the same page?
We are two different personalities
Okay.
and we do have conflicts, and they're all for the good and to just make things best. We only fight over things like, let's say, when we have conflict of opinion when it comes to designing a trunk or maybe the craftsmanship.
Okay.
And that's the area wherein, we are like, a lot of times, I put in a lot of efforts and he thinks, there's still some area to be,
Yeah.
to be covered. And but then it's all in good. We're all good.
So who's more creatively inclined? Who takes care? Who's more interested in the business aspect?
We both are involved in everything. We are looking into everything. We both creatively design the trunks. We were involved with the design team. When it comes to business, it becomes my domain. And when it comes to development, it's his domain. He's the one to be credited, for all the craftsmanship, for the beauty. You look at the trunk and you fall in love with them.
Yeah.
But then there are 400 hours of hard work which goes into making a trunk and 3 years of research. It all goes to him.
You've been relying on word of mouth marketing strategy so far. Why so? And then will we now see a more aggressive strategy going forward for Trunks Company?
We are very organic the way we operate, and one of the few reasons, one of the big reasons behind it is because we were still working towards the concept, getting the crafts, getting the quality communication, perfect around it. So you can expect, for us to be a bit more aggressive sometime end next year. We have a very discerning clientele, and even they don't want us to be seen everywhere.
Okay.
So, and nor, we have the capabilities to make thousands of trunks, in a year.
A lot of Bollywood celebrities, I've heard, have bought your trunks, and I believe for the longest time you have no inkling to, as in with celebrities buying, you had no inkling that you have your trunk in Ranbir Kapoor's house.
At a lot of times, we are working with the designers and the interior designers and the architects of the house of the projects. So we really don't know who is the client. So they are buying from us, and it ends up, in a palace or a hotel or
a celebrity's house.
Residences.
Yeah. Would you like to continue this association? Would you now aggressively look at Bollywood?
They all are invited. Why not? We'll be very happy to have them.
All right, Paritosh, now it's time for me to put you on a quick rapid fire round. So brace yourself. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, so my first question to you. The most interesting thing that you've put in your trunk?
Turban.
Turban, okay. Your most expensive and cheapest trunk till date?
Most expensive, I think it was around $20,000 for watches.
Okay.
And the cheapest one is still to come.
All right, so you don't have a cheap trunk.
Yeah, we start from 50,000. So yeah, but then
can't
we
call it cheap,
are coming with smaller trunks, and they will be like 30,000.
The most quirky customization made by you?
The trunk for rifles, and one of the trunks for swords of the member of the royal family.
Okay. Luxury to you means what?
It's personal. For me, it's freedom.
Ideal vacation would be?
Kashmir and Ibiza. They are two different worlds.
An app you're addicted to?
WhatsApp.
Your favorite sport?
Cricket.
Cricket. And who's your favorite player?
Now it's Virat Kohli, of course.
Okay. Indian royal that you would like to create a trunk for?
For all of them.
Someone who's not bought yet, but you would definitely want to create one?
For all of them, honestly.
Okay, so he's not giving me any name.
Yeah.
All right, well done, Paritosh. Take me through your future plans now. You mentioned the fact that you're now looking to set up in Dubai. Your future plans in terms of expansion, your future plans in terms of hiring more talent.
When it comes to creations, we are working on smaller lifestyle trunks. We are even designing a trunk clutch. Smaller trunks to hold your small accessories. Yeah, when it comes to the business expansion side, we are in close discussions with 2 international proposals to open internationally. We are just evaluating them, and hopefully we'll open sometime mid next year to end year, and in one of the international locations. And within India, we are not we want to be exclusive. And I think with one more sales point, that's it. We think we pretty much cover India from these 4 places.
Any
we'll be covering
plans
India.
of selling online?
We'll start with online platform from our website end of this year, and then we might explore few collaborations or associations with international online luxury portals.
Okay. Now, Paritosh, you spoke about expansion, you spoke about launching new products. How's the money going to come? Are you looking at raising money, or again, your internal accruals will take care of all of that?
In recent times, we have received a lot of traction from international investors, and but we are not really evaluating it at this point. But maybe going in future, when we go international, we might need their help.
All right, Paritosh. We wish you the very best for your bespoke luxury trunks. Thank you so much for your time. It was wonderful talking
Thanks.
to you.
Pleasure.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Weekender. Until next week, from the entire team, goodbye and many thanks for watching.
CNBC TV 18 Weekender.